artificial intelligence, or AI, is revolutionizing the world. You see, AI learns from data. It identifies patterns, and this helps machines mimic human intelligence. AI is rapidly evolving, becoming more sophisticated and powerful. It's used in many different fields. Now, MidJourney AI is a specific type of AI. It focuses on the middle stages of processes, which often involve refining initial ideas. MidJourney AI can analyze large amounts of data, helping to identify trends and patterns. This information helps refine strategies and improve outcomes. MidJourney AI is becoming increasingly important. Businesses and organizations are realizing its potential. It helps them to improve efficiency and make better decisions. Truly, MidJourney AI is a valuable tool for anyone looking to optimize their work. MidJourney AI has numerous applications that span across various industries. For instance, in manufacturing, it optimizes production processes by analyzing data from sensors and machines. This helps to identify bottlenecks and improve quality control. In healthcare, MidJourney AI analyzes patient data to develop personalized treatment plans. It can also predict potential health risks, enabling early intervention and better patient outcomes. In finance, MidJourney AI helps manage risks and detect fraudulent activities. AI algorithms analyze financial transactions, identifying suspicious patterns and flagging potential issues. Marketing and customer service also benefit from MidJourney AI. It personalizes customer experiences by analyzing customer data, recommending products and services, and automating customer interactions. Using MidJourney AI in the middle phase of projects is, well, quite beneficial. It helps to refine strategies and improve decision-making, leading to more successful outcomes. For example, imagine a team developing a new product. They have completed the initial design phase and now need to refine the product based on market feedback. MidJourney AI can analyze customer reviews and social media data to identify areas for improvement. Another example is in project management. MidJourney AI helps to track progress and identify potential delays, allowing project managers to adjust timelines and allocate resources effectively. MidJourney AI tools are becoming increasingly available, providing user-friendly interfaces that make it easy for businesses to implement AI solutions. To maximize productivity with MidJourney AI, it is important to 1. Identify key processes. Determine which processes can benefit most from AI. 2. Choose the right tools. Select AI tools that align with your specific needs. 3. Ensure data quality. Use clean and accurate data to train AI models. 4. Collaborate and iterate. Foster collaboration between AI experts and domain experts. And 5. Continuously evaluate. Regularly assess the performance of AI solutions and make adjustments as needed. By following these tips, businesses can leverage MidJourney AI effectively, boosting productivity and achieving better results. MidJourney AI is a powerful tool with the potential to transform the way we work.